Hi, today we will learn how to use text alias in text-to-speech plugin. Right now I'm in the free version and I will also show you how to use it in the pro version. First of all, I'll describe about the free version. In the free version, you can use only one text alias. That means, what is text alias? So in the pre version, these word 340p. So if you want, it's reading that
What is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum is simply
it's reading 340p. Why? Because I set up as like it is. So if I remove it,
What is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum.
you can see that it's reading 304 4dp. So but I don't want to read as it is 340p. So I want to read it as 340p. So here you will put the actual word and here you write how this word will read on the front end. I want to read it as 340, 340b. Uh, you can see that as I clicked on add new row, it says more than one text alias is available in the pro version. You have to buy the pro version. So I save it. Now let's see, is it
What
working?
is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum is simply
Yes, it's working proper. Let's enable the pro version. Now I'm in the pro version and go to the text alias and add new alias. So what it gonna be? I will this dummy word will be changed. I will give it as example text. Example. I'll remove it as example. Example. Okay. Save it and
what is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum.
oh sorry.
What is lorem ipsum? 340b lorem ipsum is simply example text of the printing and typesetting industry.
You can see that it is says lorem ipsum is example text of printing typesetting industry. So that means this one and this one also is working properly. So this is how you can use text alias in text to speech free version as well as pro version. Thank you so much for visiting this video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. If you want to buy the pro version, then I'll give it in the link in the below. Thank you. See you in the next one.